Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the earbuds and your ears. Do this now. Start with charged buds and the case open so pairing won't interrupt. Choose the ear tip that compresses then expands for a seal. Foam often isolates better. Insert with the stem angled forward and your ear tilted back to follow the ear canal shape. This reduces pressure and improves noise cancellation. Once the tip feels snug, rotate slightly until you feel a firm but comfortable lock. This is how you get the correct initial fit. Now you fine-tune the core fit while explaining why each change matters. Play a bass-heavy track quietly. If bass is thin, the seal is poor. Swap tip sizes or try the other material because a proper seal traps low frequencies. Reinsert with a small backward twist to seat the tip. That improves isolation. If the ear feels unstable, add a small wing or over-ear loop to secure it. Use these only when seal adjustments don't work. Make iterative changes until sound and comfort are balanced. You finish by locking in the fit and checking real-world use. Wear the buds for 5 to 10 minutes and move your jaw and head. This reveals pressure spots or shifts, so tweak tip size or angle until comfortable. Practice the touch controls to confirm taps don't dislodge the buds. If one side cuts out or ANC behaves oddly, reset the earbuds and repair the device. This clears software glitches. If physical fit is still unstable, change to a different tip material or try the alternate size for a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.